Welcome, in front of me is a WIEPPO S5, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So, to get started, let's pop up the cover of the device, which you can start by finding the little cutout basically on the bottom right side of the device, and from here you can just go around and pull the cover off, like so. And here, as you can see, you have space for SD card and 2 different SIM cards. So I'm gonna start with the SD card, which I believe it goes right in here. There we go, like so. And then I have only a single SIM card. Now it will need this adapter, so that's the middle size one. So let me just quickly insert it. Oh, this seems to be that's gonna be an interesting. It's very loose in here, so it will be a little bit difficult to actually place it in there. But as you can see, once you have it in there, simply slide it in there. There we go. And let's flip it over and see. So there's the SD card already working. There we go. So SD card is working. And let's see if the SIM card is working as well. No, I believe at the moment it is not, because I don't have any pin popping up. So let's just simply reboot the device. This most likely will fix the problem. Okay, as you can see, now it's working. So it requires the SIM card pin, and once I insert it, it will work normally. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.